Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost iPhone with Apple Watch instant fix step by step clearly. To find your lost iPhone using your Apple Watch, start by ensuring your Apple Watch is within range of your iPhone. Next, raise your wrist or tap the screen to wake up your Apple Watch. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to access the control center. Look for the icon that resembles a phone. Tap on the phone icon. Your iPhone will emit a loud sound, helping you locate it quickly. Listen carefully for the sound to determine where your iPhone is located. If you still can't find it, check the area around where you last used your phone. Once you locate your iPhone, you can stop the sound by pressing any button on your iPhone. For added help, you can also use the Find My app on your Apple Watch if your iPhone is out of sight. Simply open the Find My app from your Apple Watch home screen. Tap on Devices, and select your iPhone from the list. You can choose to play a sound or see its last known location on the map. Follow the map directions to guide you to your iPhone's last recorded location. Remember to keep your Bluetooth enabled to ensure the devices can communicate. And that's how to easily find your lost iPhone using your Apple Watch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.